Hey guys, welcome back again. As you saw, I have a new locomotive. It's a Norfolk Southern SD50. I'm going to bring it back around and let y'all take a look at it. Y'all have been liking my videos. I'm pleased. So anyway, I found this Norfolk Southern SD50 on eBay, and it was for $70. It has DCC in it. Very quiet, as you can hear, except for my air conditioning unit behind me. Got white LED lights, I think, or they might be bulbs. I don't really pay attention to that. So anyway, I found it on eBay, as I said, and people were had like 6 offers on it, and it was buy it now, $70. And I said, why make an offer when I can, just flat out buy it? So yeah. And I noticed there's a couple things. It was owned by someone else previously. So let's take a look. Grab my chair. Okay, so first off, notice there's one time I don't have my light on. You can see the marker lights have been painted on. I noticed that. Also, the number board, you see on most Norfolk Southerns now, they're white at the front. You can see he's painted down there, the stripe. A little touch-up work, but it ain't perfect. Same thing on the back here, and same thing on the front, right? Focus in, focus on the front there. Got the see-through. You got like I said, I really need my light on, but there you go. You see the radiators now and everything, and it looks pretty good. That would be Norfolk Southern 5426. Try to get it to zoom in there. Focus, one of the two. SD50. I don't know if you can read that or not. And then I also noticed it had this lights. Let's see. Had that weird looking thing on the handrail. Let's see, where's my finger? There it is. Right here. Right as you go up the step, I thought it was the AC unit for it. There it is. And I was like, well, it must have fell off the roof. It is missing an antenna. I think it's in the box, I think. It might help if I look in the box. It's got the correct horns, I guess. You can see it had the horn up front there. But, a great runner. Let me see, I'm going to throw it in the reverse. And, lights do work, confirmed. So I do have a Norfolk Southern now. I got plenty of CSX, Conrail, Canadian National, Milwaukee Road. You name it, I got it. Anyway, I'll let this run around a couple more times for y'all, and I hope y'all enjoy. I love old chairs. Not really. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed, and tell me what y'all think, and I'll be back soon enough when I get some more done. It'll mostly be scenery, and yeah, so sayonara.